Runway 12.
Vueling 7222 Cardiff Airport, clear land 12050 degrees 16 knots.
Good land, runway 12, thank you, Vueling 7222.
No, it was the strike, wasn't it? Saturday, and then they had all that yesterday or the day before.
Yeah. Did you know that was happening, or just
yeah, I knew that. So obviously there's the management. Well, we're going in on Saturday.
Really? Is it shared? Today. How much is it today?
I did a dummy order on it. Find the time. It's something like €40 one way.
That's alright.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. That was before they just put it in Archie. See what they're doing.
Vueling 7223, stand 10, ready for push.
Vueling 7223, roger. Push and start approved, stand 10. Information Alpha, QNH 1020 hectopascals.
Copy, sir, we got it, and start push approved, Vueling 7223.
Apologies about that, I misread what you've been texted.
That's flight level 90, no problem. We thought you might have just wanted us out of the way for a bit. Just equal.
X-ray report heading to Bristol radar 136.1075. Goodbye.
Ready, Vueling 7223, ready for taxi.
Vueling 7223, taxi on point Bravo 2, runway 12, QNH 1020.
Holding point Bravo 12, runway 12, and 1020, Vueling 7223.
Number 18. Backtrack if required.
Pineapple please. Bravo 2, runway 12, Vueling 7223.
7223, clear takeoff runway 12, 06014 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 12, Vueling 7223.
You ready? It's the start of engine, no, rev his engines up now.
Can you get noisy, Em, okay?
Yeah, you're the engine louder, yeah? That's clever, isn't it? seal up in the sky?